Hello, today we'll learn about the phrase, do away with yourself. It means to remove yourself from a place or situation. You can use it when telling someone to leave or step aside. It is a phrasal verb with three parts, do, away, and with. Always say, do away with yourself, not separate the parts. For example, he decided to do away with himself from the meeting. This means he chose to leave the meeting. Be careful. This phrase is informal. You won't usually hear it in formal writing. It can sound strong or dramatic. Sometimes people use it humorously. Remember, it means removing your presence, not harming yourself. Try using it in a sentence like, please do away with yourself if you don't want to help. Practice makes perfect. Listen to how native speakers use it in conversations. Now, you know how to use do away with yourself. Try to use it in your daily English practice. Thank you for watching. See you next time.